My name's Jerry. I'm a truck driver from here in beautiful Wichita, Kansas, and I am a massive Barbecue Pit Boys fan. I want to thank you for your delicious videos. I love your products. I love everything that you're doing, but you can always add 2 things. I would like to give to you, out of the goodness of my heart, a few products you can add to your line. Product number 1, free of charge, barbecue sauce Popsicle. How many times have you been there middle of summer, shirt off, it's hot, you're sweaty, you want to cool down, but at the same time, you want some delicious barbecue sauce? I go through it every summer, damn near every day all summer long. What if there was a way to have both at the same time? I'll tell you, because there is. Barbecue sauce Popsicle. Product number 2, gonna save you a lot of time, gonna save you a lot of money. It's a combination BBQ Scraper, back scratcher, shoehorn. You scraped your barbecue, you scratched your back, you got your shoes on, you grab a beer, and you're back at the party. Product number 3, Steak Spice Toothpaste. You gotta brush your teeth, but you also want to have a snack. But it's right before bed, can't have whole steak right before you go to bed because it's bad for your heart. That's what the doctor keeps saying. He keeps calling me in like, Jerry, if you keep eating 2 steaks before bed, it's gonna be a bad day. You know? What does he know? He's just a doctor. He's not even a good doctor. Nobody said, my guy's the best guy, go see this doctor. They said like, he won't charge as much. That's why I go there. Product number 4. You know the thing Shazam? It's like a thing you put on your phone, you hold it up, tells you what music is playing. Okay, it's that, but for meat. You know when you smell some barbecue, somebody's cooking near you, and you want to know what that is? You just hold up your phone and it tells you what it is, and then you can go get it. Product number 5, barbecue in your glove compartment. What's up? I'll tell you what's up. Dinner gonna be ready by the time we're home. Product number 9. Nope. Product number 6. Here's another product. Okay, does it really matter what number? Does it? There's another product and I'm going to present it to you. We don't need to keep numbers. I'm always getting in trouble for numbers. I don't know numbers. How long did you drive your truck with a suspended license? Numbers. I gotta tell them I ain't a numbers guy. I'm not a bean counter like them nerds. I drive the truck. Not anymore, because of the license thing. Apparently you gotta update those. Nobody told me. Number 8. Is it? Barbecue scented bath bombs. You can have stuff like sizzling steak, a good char. Maybe one of them is, you know, when you put the cheese on top of the burger while it's still on the grill. Oh my goodness. Had to close my eyes there. Couldn't even keep my eyes open. Think about it because it's so delicious. Imagine you could just take a bath during that. I mean, that'd be weird to do at your cookout. Point is, barbecue scented bath bombs. I think they're going to be a huge hit. You know who would love barbecue scented bath bombs? Martha. And my final product here, product number, last one, barbecue sauce fountain. You know how they have those chocolate fountains and those cheese things? What if that was barbecue sauce? You just went over and you grabbed a piece of meat, you just came up and you dangled it underneath the barbecue sauce and then you ate it. Oh my goodness. Barbecue sauce fountain. That's the thing dreams are made of right there. If I woke up in the morning, somebody said, Jerry, why you got a huge smile on your face? I'd wake up and go, you know what I just dreamt about? Barbecue sauce fountain. You kidding me? I'm in. I'd have one of those in my house. Constant barbecue sauce. You want a little on your eggs in the morning? There it is. You want a little on your sandwich at lunch? Boom. You got it. Midnight snack Oreo cookie / barbecue sauce? Why the hell not?